Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be recording this green eyeshadow look I did using a very cheap palette from Ulta. It's the I Love Revolution Heartbreakers in Lucky. So I hope this is useful. Alright guys, this is my first time trying the rollers, so I do look a little crazy. I'm going to leave them on while I do my makeup. So to start off, I already did this, but I used the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Prime. Then I'm going to prime my under eye with Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Primer. Looks like this. Before I put my color corrector on. This is pretty much all trial and error. I'm gonna put some setting powder on top of my eyeshadow so it doesn't crease. I saw someone do that on TikTok. I've actually never put this much concealer on my eyelid, so it's like not blending well. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Mario Badescu Skincare Rose Water Spray, just to spray it all over my face to hydrate. I know people are now saying that like, oh, this is bad for you, it's not clean, but I already have a lot. I have like 3 bottles and it's never, it does work for my skin, so I'm gonna finish using them and then I'll try to get a cleaner rosewater spray. But I'm using the Live Tinted color corrector to color correct my eyes. I just put it there. Like, I'm getting acne scars. I typically just blend it out with my finger. This is my favorite foundation right now, the L'Oreal Infallible Wear in shade 500. I'm gonna use this mirror to put it on my face because it's really hard doing your makeup looking into the camera. I look pretty crazy right now, but I'm just trusting the process. I'm gonna use the Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Also from Maybelline as my concealer. I'm just gonna put it in my under eye. I'm gonna let this set for a while. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Morphe crease brush and this e.l.f. palette that I got from TJ Maxx and use a shade, like, which one is it? This one for my transition shade. And just put it all over my crease. Oh, my palette's so dirty. Airbrush from Morphe and take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. Just spray it. Oh, I'm totally missing the brush. On the tip, and I got this I Love Revolution Heartbreakers shadow palette from Ulta. It was like $7. It's called Lucky, and I'm gonna take I think I'm going to take this shade right here, that one, and just go like that. I'm gonna try to create a wing. This is gonna be really hard doing it on camera. I've done this before, it's just really hard. I don't have like a good setup and I'm not used to filming makeup tutorials, so okay, I hope you can see. Oh, it's not going too well. It's okay because I'm gonna blend it out. So just like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna do my other eye. Okay, this one does look a little better and it's a little bit more defined. And then I'm gonna take this brush with the same color, and I'm just going to fill out the outer corner. My hair being in the way is also making it a little tough. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep filling it out till about right here, and then I'm going to use a different, like a lighter shade to get like with the same shade, just blend it out to the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna do that for both sides. Brush, and this lighter green color. Grab my mirror, and I'm gonna put it like on the corner, in the inner corner of my eyes, right there. Then in the center, I'm gonna put gold. My crease brush again, and just make sure there are no harsh lines, and try to get the colors to mix together since I used the dark green and the light green. Okay, I'm gonna come back to the eyeshadow, but I also want my eyebrows to be lifted, so I'm using the NYX brow glue, and I'm just gonna, oh shit, push it up. So I do have naturally thick brows, but hopefully this will make them stay up. I really do like this brand, it's pretty cheap. Okay, now for the middle, I'm gonna take the same brush and do this shade now. It's like a lighter, instead of gold, I'm gonna stick with the green, a lighter green. Just put it in the middle. Oh, here's one. Okay. I think that's gonna blend better than the gold. Yep. I'm just gonna keep blending it so there are no harsh lines between the 3 different shades of green. Okay, I also took my finger and just blended out this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just because it was like showing me really harsh lines, but I'm going to take my concealer again and put it on my under eye just to highlight and lift. I'll put a little there. My makeup look and clean it up. I do have really bad dark circles. I'm gonna let that settle in for a little bit. I always get like concealer on the creases. I don't know how to fix that. Oh, I actually look like an Oompa Loompa from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, but I took my Anastasia cream contour kit, and I took, let me open this, these 2 shades, and I just put it here, here, and here. I'm gonna blend it out with this brush. It's also from Morphe. It's the M459. I really like the Morphe brushes. They're very affordable. Actually start from here. They're very affordable and they're good quality and they last me years. Okay, I need my big mirror to blend these out. I blended it out with my concealer brush, and like with the leftover concealer, I'm just gonna put it around my eyebrows to shape it out. So now over my cream contour, I'm using the Smashbox medium to deep contour powder with the brush that it comes with, and with the powder contour, I'm just gonna put a little bit over my cream contour. This just makes it last, and then I put this shade right above it as blush. I also take the same deep one, and I just contour my nose with it from here to here. And I do a little on the end. Like that to shape it. Okay, I'm taking my Huda Beauty setting powder in Blondie, and I just put it under my eye with a little beauty blender. I put it here, a little on the side of my nose, and I don't leave it on for long because I don't like to bake. I think it causes creasing for my under eye because I have really bad under eyes. The skin's always dehydrated. So I'm going to take this powder brush and just brush it off right away. I kind of like dab it on. Like I don't like swipe, I like push it on like that. Take my Becca highlighter in Opal with this mini brush and just put it on the corner of my eyes. Filming this tutorial was so hard, but I hope this was useful. Alright, I'm just gonna go and do my eyeliner and mascara off camera. About the highlight, I'm using the MAC Global Glow Mineral Skin Finish. I do it a little bit on my nose, right up my cheekbones. And for the final step, before I put my lipstick on, I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray and just spray it all over. Okay guys, this is the final look. I took the curlers out. I like the curlers. I think it did work. My hair definitely has a lot of volume. I uploaded a TikTok on how I did my hair, so I will just link that down below. I don't think I'll be using the curlers very often because it did pull my hair out a lot, but this is my final makeup look. I didn't do any lashes, they're all natural. And I know this was not a good quality video, but I hope it was very useful. I'll try to upload some more and hopefully I'll get better as I keep posting more.